वेलकम टू एचडी एजुकेटर क्लासेस। आज हम करेंगे पार्ट ई, डिफाइन फोर्स। इज इट नेसेसरी फॉर द टू बॉडीज टू बी इन डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट फॉर ए फोर्स टू एग्जिट बिटवीन देम? एक्सप्लेन विद एग्जाम्पल। एंड द आंसर इज a force is a push or pull upon an object resulting from its interaction with another object. No, it is not necessary for two bodies to be in a direct contact for a force to exist between them. The non-contact force may act on a body. For example, when an apple is falling from a tree, there is no contact between the apple and the earth. Okay. Next question is question number 2. State 3 effects of a force. Give suitable example. 3 effects of a force हमें बताने हैं और example भी देनी है. The answer is force can make an object move from rest. Example, when we push a book lying on the table, it shifts. Next is force may change the speed of a moving object. Example, stopping of a ball by a goalkeeper. Next is force may bring a change in shape and size of an object. Example, when we press the toothpaste tube, its shape changes. Question number 3 is give reasons for the following. Reasons हमें बताने हैं. First of all is snowshoes. Snowshoes are more effective than ordinary shoes for walking on stone. तो इसका हमें रीजन देना है. As we know that more is the area, less would be the pressure. Snowshoes have large surface area as they are longer and broader. So pressure exerted by them would be less than it is resist to move on the snow with snows. So it is easier to move on the snow with snow shoes. Okay. Next is porter place a large round piece of cloth on their head when they carry heavy loads. And the answer is we knew that more is the area, less would be the pressure. We know that more is the area, the less would be the pressure. A round piece of cloth has more surface area, so it is easier. So it exerts less pressure on the head of the porter when they carry heavy loads. Okay. C part is a sharp knife cuts vegetables and fruits more effectively than a blunt knife. We know that pressure is inversely proportional to area. That is, less is the surface area, more would be the pressure. Sharp knife has less area of contact. This will increase the pressure and vegetables and fruits would be easily cut. Okay. Next is part D. School bags are provided with wide straps to carry them. It is because wide straps have more area of contact which reduces the pressure. Next is it is much easier to brush an inflated balloon with a needle than directly with the finger. It is much easier to brush an inflated balloon with a needle than with the finger because of the following reasons. Tip of the needle is sharp, so due to its sharp tip, the needle may put a force on a very small area of balloon, producing a large pressure sufficient to pierce the balloon. Okay. Second, Whereas if we use our fingers to brush balloon, the surface area is more and blunt. Hence, less pressure will act on balloon, which is not sufficient to brush it. Okay. Next is part F. Mountaineers may suffer from nose bleeding at altitudes. Why? It is because the pressure exerted by the blood in their body becomes much higher than the pressure outside, making blood vessels burst. Okay, that the pressure outside making blood vessels burst. Next is G part. Airplane has pressurized cabin for passenger safety while flying high in the atmosphere. At high altitudes, air pressure decreases. Therefore, the air pressure in aircraft has to be increased to a sufficient value to safeguard the passengers. Okay. Next is two rods A and B of the same width and equal length have different thickness. A boy, while playing with them on a beach, held them vertically on the surface of sand as shown in the figure. Which one of them will sink less? Explain. Okay, explain करना है हमें. जैसे it is the road A and it is the road B और ये हमारी दी हुई है sand. Okay. Road B will sink less. It is because the surface area of contact of road B is more, which will help in reducing pressure. Okay. ये देखो दे रखी है कि road B जो है will sink less. It is because the surface area of contact of road B is more, which will help in reducing pressure. Next is three holes A, B, C are made in an empty can at different levels, one over the other. As shown in the figure, they are temporarily closed with an adhesive tape. Okay, with an adhesive tape. The can is now filled with water. What will you observe when the tape on all of them is pulled out? Justify your answer. तो ये आपको कैन दी हुई है और ये होल दिए हुए हैं A, B, C. ओके, पिक्चर में आपको दिया हुआ है. एंड द आंसर इज वाटर फ्रॉम द होल A will emerge out at a farther distance than B and C. It is because pressure of water increases with an increase in the depth of the hole. Okay, in the depth of the hole. Next is make two tiny holes of the same size at equal heights from the bottom in a plastic bottle. Cover them and fill the bottle with water. Let the covers be now removed. State the observation and the resulting conclusion based on this activity. ये आपको प्लास्टिक बोतल दी हुई है, ये A होल है और ये B होल है. तो ऑब्जर्वेशन हमें बतानी है क्या है. Okay. When the covers are removed, water emerges out from the hole A and B with equal force. Okay, conclusion. Liquid pressure is transferred equally in all directions and same at a given horizontal level. Question number 7 is discuss in brief the variation in atmospheric pressure with altitudes. Changes in temperature also cause change in atmospheric pressure. As we move upwards through atmosphere, the height of air the height of air core above us would decrease. This would, एक सेकेंड छोटा कर लेती हूँ मैं इसको थोड़ा सा, अब देखते हैं. As we move upwards through the atmosphere, the height of air column above us would decrease. This would result in a decrease in air pressure at higher altitudes. Okay. Next, air pressure also varies with temperature and time at a given place due to uneven heating of the Earth's surface. Air pressure can change rapidly at a hotter place. The warm air there is lighter than the cooler air in the surroundings, in the surrounding regions. Okay, in the surrounding regions. Hence, air can rush in from the neighboring high pressure surrounding area to this lower pressure area. This phenomena can result in land breezes, and this phenomena can result in land breezes, sea breezes, winds and storms. Okay. The next is value based question भी कर लेते हैं. वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है हमारा. ऑन कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम स्कूल, अनुदित आस्क्ड हिज मदर कॉन्सेप्ट्स रिलेटेड टू द एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ फोर्सेस एक्टिंग. मदर एक्सप्लेन टू हिम द रीजन फॉर एडिंग सच फोर्सेस. ओके. अब करते हैं वैल्यू. ऑन कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम स्कूल, अनुदित आस्क्ड हिज मदर टू एक्सप्लेन टू हिम द कॉन्सेप्ट्स रिलेटेड to the addition subtraction of forces acting along the same line. Mother explained to him the reason for adding such forces when they act along the same direction and of subtracting one from the other when they act along mutually opposite direction. She went on to say that in a similar manner we get an added up and enhanced effect when we use our strength, hard work and attention all together for achieving our desired goals. स्टेट द वैल्यूज कन्वेड बाय अनुदिस मदर. तो वैल्यू कौन कौन सी आ जाएंगी इसमें? आ जाएंगी कंबाइंड इफेक्ट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ, हार्ड वर्क एंड फोकस. नेक्स्ट इज राइट डाउन द मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शन ऑफ द नेक्स्ट फोर्स इन द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन. इन टग ऑफ वॉर टीम इज अप्लाइंग ए फोर्स ऑफ 100 N along the east direction and team B is applying a force of 200 along the west direction. तो इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? 100 N अलोंग वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. ओके. तो ये थे हमारे क्वेश्चन आंसर. और रहता है ए बॉय, बी पार्ट है. ए बॉय इज पुशिंग ए बॉक्स विद ए फोर्स ऑफ 100 N टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट बाय ओवरकमिंग ए फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन दैट हैज ए मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ 50 N टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. हैव ए ग्रुप डिस्कशन इन विच स्टूडेंट्स गिवन. ये ग्रुप डिस्कशन का है आपके लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. तो ये थे हमारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पार्ट ई के, और साथ में हमने वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन भी कर लिए हैं. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. अब हमारा ये चैप्टर पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.